3, 2, go. All right, hey, we're on, we're live. Good morning, afternoon, whatever the case may be. Buenos tardes to you, class. This is for my 6th and 8th periods, my beloved 6th and 8th periods. Right there, guys, thinking about you. My daughter was sick today, so I'm staying home with her. She just got her second dose of the vaccine, so it didn't set right with her. So here I am. I've got 3 things for you guys to do today. Not 1, not 2, not 4, but 3 things that I need you to do today. Make sure we're keeping pace with where we need to be. All right, next week, the week before break, we will have 2 tests. One on Asian countries' capitals and another one on the Enlightenment and the French Revolution, including Napoleon Bonaparte. All right, so if you haven't already joined the Quizlet class, this gives you access to the Quizlet cards with countries and capitals of countries in Asia. Practice. You want to use the Cetera website to practice? Go for it. All right. Spend some of your 90 minutes of class time practicing and studying your Asian geography. All right. The other items for today are not up on our Schoology site for this video, but they will be up by the time your class starts. And the first thing is a reading on the French Revolution and Napoleon. And what I want you to do is read about it, gain some different knowledge that we didn't cover in our notes or the video that we did see on Wednesday and Thursday, depending on when you have class. Now I guess for you guys it's all Wednesday. As you read, I want you to make 2 comments. And I want you to select whatever text you have a comment about, and then you come over to the right-hand side and select the Add Comment button. Wow. That is incredible. All right, and that's not even a very good comment. Other things you could do are like make a question, draw a connection to something that you, a connection to something that you've already studied either in our class or in something in another class. Okay. 2 comments on this page, and then I want you to go down to the next page. The next page is more about Napoleon Bonaparte. It's all about Napoleon. So I want you to read this page, and again, I want you to make 2 comments. There's something about the Napoleonic Code. I wonder specifically what the laws were. I guess that's not a question. All right, and then you create a comment there. I need 2 comments on each side. All right, so you've got that. Next up, you've got a Google form with a hyperlink at the top that takes you to this map. This is one of the most well-known maps of a military campaign ever produced. And it's not because it's a bad map. It's the exact opposite. It's also known as one of the greatest maps of a military campaign ever produced. And it was produced, I want to say it was back in the 1830s. It may have been a little bit earlier or later. Try to find it right here. There's a little bit of information about it here, but you could certainly look up to see when it was made. It wasn't any time recently. So I want you to look at this map, and you could also search it up yourself and play with the dimensions and get different dimensions to make it easier to read. But it's also meant to, it's clickable so that it zooms in when you click. Okay, then you go back to the form and you answer the questions. There's only 4, and they're not super difficult, so shouldn't take you too long, but I just think it's a cool map in general. All right, last but not least, Napoleon Bonaparte is a polarizing character. What do you think? You tell me what you think. Is he a hero or a villain? I want 3 paragraphs. I want it in an essay. I want Times New Roman, size 12 font, an intro paragraph. Napoleon Bonaparte could be called many things. However, in my opinion, he is a, okay, and tell me why. Now your body paragraph number 2, you're going to tell me about this piece of evidence that supports your case. Either he's a hero or a villain. You could certainly use anything from the reading that you did here. And I want you to, I'm surprised I haven't said this earlier, I want you to watch this video, History versus Napoleon. And you will get some ammo for your paragraph, for your essay rather. All right? So support it in here. You don't have to cite your sources. You're making an argument here. Please don't write in first person. You're writing in third person. And make your case. This is a persuasive essay. All right, and don't forget to turn these things in, submit them so that I may grade them and give you credit for it. Lots and lots of credit. And then I will see you guys on Tuesday. All right, so 6th period, big announcement here. Just so you know, Silas Mitchell is in charge. He's agreed to a 1-day, 1-period leadership position as executive authority of 6th period. That is Silas Mitchell. Thank you. And 8th period, Greg is in charge. You guys know Greg. He sits up front. Big hair and glasses. Great guy. I'll see all of you on Tuesday. Take care and have a great weekend.